Welcome, aspiring traders and market enthusiasts, to a guide that unveils the art and science of navigating the Forex market. Whether you're a newcomer eager to explore the world of trading or a seasoned trader seeking to refine your approach, this roadmap will illuminate the path to informed and strategic decision-making. At the heart of your journey lies the need for a solid foundation. Just as a sturdy structure requires a strong base, your trading success hinges on building an educational foundation. Embrace the basics of Forex, acquaint yourself with currency pairs, exchange rates, and the mosaic of market participants. Delve into the diverse strategies and techniques that will become your arsenal in the trading arena. Let's embark on the first leg of our journey, market analysis. Here, your compass is the dual force of fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis compels you to study economic indicators, geopolitical events, and central bank policies. This mosaic of data provides insights into GDP growth, inflation rates, employment data, and interest rate decisions, all catalysts that can dramatically shape currency values. On the flip side, technical analysis introduces you to the world of charts, patterns, and indicators. Imagine these tools as your telescope, helping you identify trends, reversals, and precise entry or exit points. Employ the likes of moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Fibonacci retracement levels to decode the language of price movements. Our journey further unfolds with currency pairs selection. This strategic decision encompasses the careful choice of pairs aligned with your trading strategy and risk appetite. Will you navigate the well-trodden path of major pairs like EUR, USD or USD, JPY, characterized by liquidity and narrow spreads? Or perhaps venture into the exotic terrain of emerging economies, where higher volatility and wider spreads offer potentially greater rewards? No voyage is without its share of uncertainties. To navigate these waters, we set sail with risk management. Calculated decisions are your anchor against turbulent tides. Establish your risk tolerance, never jeopardizing more than a small portion of your trading capital on any single trade. The helm of stop-loss and take-profit orders safeguards your investments, while disciplined trading remains your steadfast compass. As we navigate the seas of Forex, news and economic calendar become our guiding stars. These constellations illuminate economic news releases and events that can sway the market's tides. Central bank statements, non-farm payroll reports, and geopolitical developments are akin to celestial phenomena that can trigger waves of price fluctuations. In this voyage, intuition is both your navigator and your muse. Market sentiment gauges the collective consciousness through news sources, social media, and expert insights. In times of uncertainty, sentiment influences short-term price movements, transforming news into a compass. A voyage of discovery unfolds with demo trading, a safe harbor for honing your strategies without financial risk. Practice in this controlled environment refines your approach, experiments with diverse strategies, and nurtures the confidence you'll need in the open waters. Each trade tells a story, and your journal is your chronicle. Develop a comprehensive plan and journal, recording goals, strategies, risk parameters, and exit criteria. This narrative chronicles your trading journey, serving as a map to future decisions while providing a lens to analyze performance and opportunities for growth. In the vast ocean of Forex, patience and discipline are your sails. Emotional storms are your foes. They blur judgment and capsize plans. Stick to your course with steadfast patience and discipline. Avoid chasing quick gains or hasty recovery from losses. The steady winds of consistent execution and adherence to your plan will guide you safely to your destination. But remember, the market is a realm of constant evolution. Your voyage requires perpetual learning. Stay abreast of market shifts, embrace new strategies, and harness technological advancements. This commitment to learning propels you ahead in the dynamic Forex landscape, ensuring that your journey remains one of continuous growth. Now, with your compass set, your sails unfurled, and your map in hand, you're ready to embark on a journey of potential and possibilities. Approach the market with prudence, diligence, and a strategic mindset. As you navigate the complexities, you'll find that Forex trading, like any voyage, demands dedication, knowledge, and the unwavering spirit of exploration. Bon voyage to your journey of trading success.